Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to use the latest Canva update, which is the Droptober right here. So once we click that, go on to the section where they show their new updates. So as you can see right here on the bottom, the new features in Droptober and Canva, we have here the magic write. We have this for whiteboards, for charts, and for the animation. So we have new animations. We can now create a new charts. We can now brainstorm better with our companions, and then we can now have supercharged magic right here. And if you scroll down, you can also, we have here the new Disney collection. So it is for pro accounts only. So if you want to look for the specific updates or the specific latest updates on each, which is the docs, whiteboards, presentation, you can also check it right here. So for the docs, we have this one. For the whiteboards, we have this new features. For the presentation, for the social, for the videos, for the print, and for the websites. Now let's go back right here for the new features in Droptober, which is 4. So let's try first what is the new feature in magic writing. So let's click this one. And then after that, we will be selected right here, and we will be welcomed with a drum set. So to use our new feature in Canva, all we have to do is to just highlight the text. So we're going to use this. So let's say for example that we want to change this. All we have to do is to do that, and then you will see this icon right here, which is magic write. All we have to do is to click this one. And then after that, we will have this kind of options, which is continue writing. If you want to shorten it, if you want to rewrite it, if you want it to be more fun, more formal, or if you want to add some sprinkle fairy dust, and if you want to change or add a new voice, if you want to fix spelling, and if you want to add a custom prompt. So let's say for example that we want to make it more fun. All we have to do is to click this one right here. And then after that, Canva will now automatically create a new prompt for the text that you want to change. So as you can see right here, this is a completely rephrased or paraphrased text from our document right here. So if you want to make it more like this, you can click this one and then it will generate another one. But if you want to add a more specific, or if you want to add more specific details, all we have to do is to click this button. And then let's say for example that we want to make it more friendly, and then let's type more friendly right here, and then click generate or just click enter. And then as you can see, after that we now have this another prompt. Now if you are now contented with this, all we have to do is to click replace right here, or you can just click enter. And as you can see, we now have changed the new document or the new text right here on our document. Now that is for the supercharged magic write. Let's go back again on this part, and then let's now try the whiteboards. So after that, we can now sort, we can now organize the sticky notes, which is right here. So let's say for example that we want to organize this one, but before the update we are going to edit this manually, right? But now for the new update, we can now edit it by just clicking this one, or by just highlighting this part right here, and then just click right click, and then you will see this sort, and then you can sort it by topic, by color, by name, and by reactions. So if you want to sort it by topic, you can click this one, and then as you can see, it will now be sorted. And let's wait for this to finish. And as you can see right here, we now have sorted the sticky notes. We now have the clutter and organization, household weights and maintenance, and others. Now if you want to change it again, all we have to do is to click this, right click again, and then click sort. And then let's say we want to change it by reactions. Let's do this, and then it will now be automatically changed right here. So all we have to do that is just right click and then click sort, and then just click whatever you prefer. And as you can see, once we're now done, that is the new update for the whiteboards. We can now organize, and we can now sort sticky notes in real time or in just one click. Now let's go back again on this part. Let's now try the new features in charts. So let's click try charts. And then once we do that, you will be redirected right here. So if you want to click or if you want to edit the charts right here, all we have to do is to click this one and then click data right here. So in this left screen, you will see the table, which is this one right here. We can now change the chart by clicking the expand data table. We can now change it like final chart, histogram chart, a bar chart, scatter plot, area plot, line chart, and so on. So in just one click, we can now change the chart. So let's say for example that we want to make it into a pie chart. All we have to do is to click it. And then as you can see, it is now automatically changed. If you go back on the Canva, that is now what it looks like. So click data again and expand table. We can also change this one right here. We can also change it to another. Then you can also change the colors, which is right here. Edit color, and then just choose which one you prefer. You can also clear the data. And if you want to label it, you can also do that, which is this one. If you want to edit the values, you can also do that. And if you want to also add the labels, you can also do that right here. Then you can also change it to percentages. So I will just leave it as a number. And if you want to add a legend, which is right here. And once you are now done with this, all we have to do is to go back. And as you can see, we now have here the pie chart, which is now more accessible and easy to make compared to the last update wherein we don't have this kind of feature. So now going back to the new Droptober features, we now have also a new animations. So let's try this one. And then once we are now right here, if we want to edit the animation, all we have to do is to click the features or the pictures or the videos and then go here on the animate. So we have here new 6 animations, which is brush, ink, digital, we have spray paint, we have sketch, and gradient. So for the brush, we can now edit the animation if you want to do it both. And we can also edit this, which is right here. We have 4 styles for this one, which is right here. Also for the ink, for the digital, we have 3. For the spray paint, we have 2. Sketch, we have 4. And gradient, we have 3. So that is the new feature or the new animations that we can use in Canva. So that is basically it for the new updates for the Droptober. So we have 4 again for the Magic Write, whiteboards, charts, and animations. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.